Production begins with the arrival of premium titanium components and certified 24-karat gold. Every material is inspected before entering the manufacturing process. Each gold ingot undergoes precision purity testing. Only investment-grade gold qualifies for production. The purified gold is heated inside an induction furnace. Extreme temperatures prepare it for precision processing. Molten gold is transformed into ultra-pure plating material. Consistency is critical for flawless surface coating. The gold is converted into a specialized electroplating solution. This solution creates the luxury finish later in production. Premium titanium frames form the foundation of the device. Each frame begins as a precision-machined blank.
CNC machining creates the exact geometry of the iPhone frame. Every cut is measured to microscopic tolerances.
Freshly machined titanium receives precision finishing. Smooth surfaces are essential for premium plating.
Ultrasonic cleaning removes microscopic contaminants. A perfectly clean surface ensures plating adhesion.
The titanium surface is chemical activated. This prepares the frame for gold bonding.
The signature gold plating process now begins. Electrical current deposits pure gold onto titanium. Gold atoms bond evenly across the titanium frame. The coating grows layer by layer. Each frame is measured for exact coating thickness. Uniform coverage guarantees premium appearance. Robotic polishing enhances the gold finish. A mirror-like luxury surface begins to appear.
Robotic polishing enhances the gold finish. A mirror-like luxury surface begins to appear.
The finished gold-plated frame enters the assembly line. Precision positioning ensures perfect component alignment. The internal support structure is installed. It provides strength and mounting points for electronics. Each logic board undergoes final inspection. Only verified electronics move to assembly. The logic board is carefully positioned. Micron-level accuracy prevents connector stress. Automated tools secure the main electronics. Every screw is tightened to exact specifications. Thermal management components are added. They help maintain peak performance. Every battery undergoes rigorous safety verification. Only certified cells are cleared for assembly. The battery is installed using automated positioning. Accurate placement maximizes internal efficiency. Power connections link the battery to the system. Every connection is visually verified. The premium camera system undergoes inspection. Lens alignment is critical for image quality. Camera electronics are connected to the system. Secure data pathways ensure reliable operation. Advanced sensor systems are integrated. These components enable intelligent device functions. Premium speakers are installed next. Acoustic sealing improves sound performance. Automated inspection verifies every internal component. The device is now ready for display assembly. Premium OLED display panels undergo strict visual inspection. Only flawless screens continue to assembly. Every display is cleaned to optical standards. Even microscopic particles must be removed. Automated systems apply waterproof bonding adhesive. Perfect consistency is essential for durability. Machine vision systems align the display precisely. Micron-level accuracy prevents assembly defects. The OLED display is joined with the gold-plated frame. Precision bonding ensures structural integrity. Controlled pressure secures the display permanently. Uniform force prevents stress on the panel. The display is electronically connected to the device. Data and power pathways are carefully secured. The display undergoes its first functional test. Color accuracy and pixel performance are verified. Automated systems verify touchscreen responsiveness. Every area of the display is tested. Waterproof protection is added around critical openings. Precision sealing enhances durability. Specialized seals protect sensitive openings. Each barrier contributes to water resistance. Pressure testing verifies waterproof integrity. Even tiny leaks can be detected instantly. The luxury exterior undergoes cosmetic inspection. Every surface must appear flawless. Final polishing enhances the luxury appearance. The gold finish achieves mirror-like brilliance. Expert technicians perform the final exterior refinement. Each limited edition device receives individual attention. Every device undergoes a complete electronic diagnostic. Hundreds of functions are verified automatically. Core hardware systems are evaluated under load. Performance must meet premium standards. Wireless systems are tested in controlled conditions. Signal quality is measured across multiple frequencies. Camera calibration ensures professional image quality. Every lens is adjusted with extreme precision. Advanced software calibrates focus and color balance. Each camera module receives individual tuning. Low light performance is carefully evaluated. The camera system must excel in all environments. Speakers and microphones undergo acoustic testing. Sound quality is measured against strict standards.
Wireless charging performance is verified. Power transfer efficiency is continuously monitored.
Engineers analyze thermal behavior during charging. Temperature stability protects long-term performance.
Mechanical controls undergo durability testing. Repeated operation verifies long-term reliability. Structural strength is carefully evaluated. The titanium frame must withstand daily use. After durability testing, cosmetic quality is rechecked. The luxury finish must remain flawless. Official software is installed onto the device. Factory settings are configured automatically. Software functionality is fully verified. Security and performance checks are completed. The completed device moves to luxury packaging. Premium presentation reflects its exclusive status. Luxury packaging is inspected before final assembly. Every detail must match the exclusivity of the device. Each limited edition device receives an authenticity certificate. Unique serial numbers ensure traceability. Premium accessories are prepared for inclusion. Every package receives a complete collector set.
If the device receives one final cosmetic cleaning, the gold-plated finish must remain flawless.
Protective films safeguard the device during shipping. Every surface is preserved in perfect condition. The finished device is placed into its presentation case. Custom inserts protect the luxury smartphone. Accessories and documents complete the package. Every component is arranged with precision. Security seals protect the package during transport. Serial labels confirm authenticity.
Final quality approval verifies the entire production process. Only fully compliant devices receive certification.
Approved devices enter secure storage. Each unit awaits shipment to its future owner. Professional media teams document the final product. The luxury finish is showcased in detail. Every angle highlights the craftsmanship. The gold-plated finish reflects luxury and precision.
Factory executives conduct a final presentation review. The completed product meets luxury manufacturing standards.
Approved units are prepared for secure transportation. Specialized packaging protects each collector edition.
From raw materials to luxury craftsmanship, the journey is complete. The limited edition gold-plated iPhone 17 Pro Max is ready for delivery.